ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Ground water, reservoir water, what not, everything. Even pest, crop pattern, prediction of crop yield, so that I can plan it for marketing. If I get all these things, for government, if I link with quantum computing, real time I can get data, historical data is available, knowledge is available globally, computing with AI, quantum computing. I can communicate real time to the last mile again for execution. That is a game changer for future, either for health, either for agriculture, either for any walks of life. If you can do that, then youngsters are here, startup companies, and also this ecosystem players, huge market, pharma industry. Now they are doing, Suchitra is here, they are doing biotechnology. So much of research, so much of all these things. Now by using quantum computing, we can reduce the time, you can prepare your modules at a cost-effective way. Even personal medicine is not far away. So this is where I am visualizing all these things. So how to go about, all of us has to think in that direction. As Our Excellency Jennifer has rightly mentioned, India and America, two big democracies. We have to compete with each other, we have to work together for each other for global good. India and America has to do in that direction. That will go a long way. Even Secretary has rightly mentioned now, they are building ecosystem. He made one comment, I am very happy. He has to prepare very clear targets. Finally, he said, India is not only a participant, we will be a player. From the beginning, I am saying we are becoming a user. Software, we are very strong. But at the same time, products, we are very weak. That is the biggest challenge, sir. I am telling you, you give challenges to our people. They are prepared to go for products. In the initial stage, entrepreneurs, we have to give some leverage. Even some people may fail, but we have to encourage. Then they will be successful. So, in this meeting, I am telling so many people you have seen from the morning, so much of enthusiasm. Now you prepare, quantum computing means not only getting one machine and putting in Amravati, then you think quantum computer has come, my work is over. No. How to create that ecosystem is important. Today also we had some meetings, all experts. I am only a policy maker. I will protect everybody's interest. If I cannot promote, nobody can promote quantum computing or deep technologies in this country. Fortunately, now we are having a Prime Minister. He is ahead of me. He is always thinking future. Earlier, I have seen so many Prime Ministers, I used to talk to them. Sometimes they used to say, we won't understand why you are making me to suffer. That were the days. Today, if I talk something, Prime Minister will give not only answer, he will give a solution. That is how he is working. We are proud, that's where I am saying always, right time, right leader, right place. That is Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. With this, even yesterday was talking to me, now sending people to war, there is no relevance. We have to concentrate on technology. how to use technology and new innovations, that is the order of the day, that is where he is working in the direction. Just now, Ajay Kumar Sood has rightly mentioned this year, International Year of Quantum Computing by UN, even strategic autonomy, anything for that matter, we have to move in that direction. As he rightly mentioned, imagine quantum satellite. As on today, satellite is giving some advantages. If you go for quantum satellite, then you can imagine how things are going to. It is a matter of, I am very clear, innovation is the order of the day. There are revolutions now in innovations. We are thinking somebody is innovating. That is where I used to say always, earlier, myself, I had one Mr. Raja Reddy, who was a professor in computer science in Carnegie Mellon University. We used to discuss how to take computerization to the common man. Then we created for graduates post-graduation in computer science. We believed at that time everybody should have computerization knowledge. Then only application of his knowledge will be very easy. Common man, how to take it up. We used to discuss about at the time with so many innovative ideas. All those things are becoming reality. Even language barriers we are able to cross today. My Honorable Minister has rightly mentioned, our IT Minister, he was 7th class at that time when I started IT. He wanted to inquire about a minister. Who is at that time minister? They are ordinary people. One Mr. Raghunath Reddy and also Gopal Krishna Reddy. Graduates, not IT professionals. Now he is Carnegie Mellon University computer science minister background and also Stanford MBA. Both are very good in designation. Now he has to understand IT and apply IT and also use quantum computing and produce outcomes, use cases. That is his responsibility as minister. That is where I am giving a vision now, and also we are giving concepts, vision. He has to get it done now. As Honorable Minister has rightly mentioned, Government of India is committed for a cause through quantum mission, and also Government of Andhra Pradesh has taken lead. He created some hubs, all these things he explained all of us. Funds, resources is not the constraint. When there is a will, everything will fall in line. We can create wealth. We can generate revenues. Again, we can spend money. That is how economy will run. So all friends are here. It is a win-win situation. All ecosystem players I am requesting, you join us for this great momentum. I don't have any doubt we will achieve it. But as our friends have mentioned, India should become a player, not a participant. Any ecosystem we have to create. All international companies, I am telling you, if you miss now, you will miss forever. Nobody can venture missing India. It is a happening place, and also no longer if you think we will develop a product, we will market in India. No, you develop a product in India and you use Indian market also and also Indian resources. So with everything, we are having clear vision. We will transform our vision with the support of Government of India. Friends, I am requesting, sky is the limit for innovations. You are thinking somebody is innovating. Essence of time, you have to keep it in mind. Move in the competitive world, then everything is possible. I am very happy by seeing all of you, so much of response. Even our people have stopped at one stage further registrations because room is very full. That is the enthusiasm it has created now. As our people have rightly mentioned, we have created one ecosystem, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub at Amaravati, and also 5 zones, 5 spoke models. We wanted to bring industry to lead, academic institutions as knowledge partner, and also I wanted to promote in a big way every one family, one entrepreneur. Earlier I promoted one family, one IT professional. It has served my purpose. Today I am promoting one family, one entrepreneur. That is especially in a knowledge economy, working from anywhere. It is not a big issue. Think globally, act globally. Distance is not the constraint. From Vijayawada or remote village in Andhra Pradesh, you start a company, you can serve the global community. That is the for today. That is going to happen for future. With this, for all our endeavors, quantum computing is going to play very crucial role. It will be next level. It won't come below this. With this excellent meeting, always I am saying I am a student, learning from others, and through public policies, I wanted to implement for the empowerment of people. Even today, by sitting here 4 or 5 hours, I am writing everything.